Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about rule 18 and we are almost nearing the completion of this particular course section. I hope you are enjoying it so far. So the rule 18 is slice and dice the task. Whenever we have a big task at hand, it seems so big to do and it seems almost impossible to do. So what you have to do is first of all set a deadline. Okay, I have to lose like 5 kg in like 1 month. Okay. Now that is like 5 kg divided by 30 days, which is like 0.5 kgs every 3 days. Okay, which is like around, let's say average around 0.15 every day. So that seems doable, right? 5 kg in a month, like 5 kg divided by 30 days, and it's like 0.5 grams every 3 days, or 0.13 grams every day. That seems doable now. So you have to figure out how to break task into really small pieces such that it's easy to do, such that you can begin as fast as possible. Now there is a Chinese saying that journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now you don't have to think about 1,000 miles, you have to just think about single steps. What is the single first step that you are going to take that's helping you start the 1,000 miles journey? What's the single step that you can take right now that's going to take you in the right direction? That's the smallest task you need to do. Whenever there is a big task, slice it up, slice it like a salami slice it like it's a cheese slice it like it's your butter. Okay, slice it very small, very thin, as thin as possible, and do that particular task. Now people or human beings are driven by a motivation to complete task, and whenever you complete small tasks, you become motivated, you become more entrenched into that particular task. Yes, I'm making progress, yes, I'm doing things. So all you have to do every day is make small little progress in the right direction, and you will be tremendously happy, you will be tremendously motivated, and you will be much more closer towards completing your task and overcoming your procrastination. So that's rule 18. Slice and dice your task. Slice your task into as small pieces as possible, then do that particular task, then go pick up another task that is even more smaller and complete it. Always make sure you're progressing in the right direction. Always make sure you're taking a big task, as big as possible, and breaking it to smaller pieces. Of course, doing a bigger task will give you much more satisfaction, but thinking about doing a big task is not as easy as thinking about doing just a small task. And once you begin to do small tasks, you can easily begin to do big tasks as well. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next video.